the iPhone 12s here, and this is one of them, and then this is the other. Now the white one, we had its screen replaced because the screen that was there died, but we opted to go for in-cell because of budget issues. So I wanted to show you the difference between the two screen qualities. So we have that as in-cell, and then this is what the other looks like. So you can tell the difference. I don't know, maybe this is because this is too bright. I don't have the password for this, so I can't do much, but let's both open the dial pad. This is how this one looks like, this is how that one looks like. Now this is the OLED right here, so this is how it would look like. I don't know how its brightness level is, and then this is how the in-cell would look like. Now because I am able to check out the cameras, let me do that for you so that we see how it renders the images on screen. And I'm going to pick a few subjects that I can try to use to demonstrate for you, and these are going to be our subjects. And let me see. So let me launch the camera. That I'm assuming both are well cleaned. Let me also confirm that this one is clean. So I think they're both clean enough right there. And having said that, let's launch the camera apps. So this is how. Let me just take a photo, and then we see, compare the two. Okay, so this, let's take a photo and compare the two. So launch that. Can I see it? Okay, so this is how that's looking, and this is how this is looking. Let me first see if when I turn off the lights you can see the differences. Okay, so this is the in-cell technology, and that's the OLED. So I'm going to tilt it a bit to see viewing angles. The OLED has a better viewing angle than the in-cell. Let's see that angle at the bottom. Oh, I think they all have fairly reasonable viewing angles. Tilt that. Yeah, so that's what we're having there. The problem is that when you look at the darks here, it's shining a bit grayish, while this black is black. So those are some of the differences you might notice. What else can I do? Let me try to get brilliant colors into the picture. For instance, red. And what else can I include to allow us have more colors, to enable us see what's happening? Okay, so that let's launch that again, and I'm going to take a photo at this low level of lighting, and then that too. I need to take a photo, right? So it's okay, pretty usable because the resolution is high, and I don't know why I chose to record a video instead. That's not what I wanted under the picture, and not a zoomed out one. Okay, right, take that photo. Okay, this is take that. So in-cell, then OLED, about in real time. That's how we are having that look. Yep, so you guys can tell me. Let me see if I can move it here. Okay, that is choosing to run. Focus. Okay, let me try to take the photos. I know it's not the same point. do that, take that. So we open the photos, and that's what we are having right there for your display. So I suppose I can swipe this side, this for comparison. Okay, that was shadows, a lot of it. I think let's use this. Though here you can see that the colors sort of pop up more than they would here. Okay, you can see the difference, but response wise they all seem fine. So if you have a phone and you're wondering whether incel could work for you, hope this video can be able to show you that. You can see that this black is not as black as there. That's the only things you will miss out most likely. One. Okay. I'm not allowed to zoom in. Okay. Yeah. Okay, maybe let me just check out dialing for you guys, and we see what we have here. I believe let me increase this thing's brightness. Brightness. By the way, I don't mind. I'm not much of a user of an iPhone. I just use it for I just simply repair them. I just want to zoom out into the photo. Definitely, you can see that the OLED looks nicer than the incel, so this should allow you to decide. But just to give you a bit of perspective, this is $20 US, and that screen is around 80 USD, if not 70 USD. So this is a third of the price of this. So assuming you just need to get going, that's it. Long term, I don't know how they perform in comparison to each other. Anyway, thank you. See you in the next video. Ciao.